Division algorithm for polynomials. If px and gx are any two polynomials with gx is not equal to 0, then we can find polynomials qx and rx such that px is equal to gx into qx plus rx, where rx is equal to 0 or degree of rx is smaller than degree of gx. Let's divide 5x cubed minus x square plus 6 by x minus 4. Let's first get the problem set up. Recall that we need to have terms written down with the exponents in decreasing order, and to make sure we don't make any mistakes, we add in any missing terms with a 0 coefficient. We need to multiply x minus 4 to get the first term in first polynomial. In this case, that is 5x square. Multiply x minus 4 by 5x square and subtract the results from the first polynomial. The new polynomial is called the remainder. We continue the process until the degree of the remainder is less than the degree of the divisor, which is x minus 4 in this case. So, we need to continue until the degree of the remainder is less than 1. The degree of a polynomial is the highest exponent in the polynomial. Also, a constant is thought of as a polynomial of degree 0. Therefore, we will need to continue until we get a constant in this case. Here is the rest of the work for this example. Okay, now that we have got this done, let's remember how we write the actual answer down. The answer is 5x cubed minus x square plus 6 whole upon x minus 4 is equal to 5x square plus 19x plus 76 plus 310 upon x minus 4. We can verify the answer by using divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. If divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend, then our answer is correct. Example: divide 3x square minus x cubed minus 3x plus 5 by x minus 1 minus x square and verify the division algorithm. Solution: firstly, we will write both the dividend and divisor in decreasing orders of their degrees. Minus x cubed plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5 and divisor is equal to minus x square plus x minus 1. By dividing we get divisor is equal to minus x square plus x minus 1. Quotient is equal to x minus 2 and remainder is equal to 3. Now to verify, let's see whether divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend or not. So, divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to minus x square plus x minus 1 into x minus 2 plus 3 equals minus x cubed plus x square minus x plus 2x square minus 2x plus 2 plus 3 equals minus x cubed plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to dividend. Hence, verified.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.